Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. Today there's something special which I want to show you. Teacher training students from the final year of Jamia Markaz Urdu department. All the students from North India visiting on a campus visit to MEMS International Karandur to get to know about moral studies and moral department's work here in the campus. All of them have visited the campus and attended the class, direct class observation with the leadership of Yusuf Misbahi. There are a lot of great leaders of the future. Well, these people are the ones who are going to make an impact in the next decades in the Indian subcontinent, especially in the Urdu region in north and areas. So it was a great learning experience. It's just the beginning. We have a lot more to go. And until then, so hopefully everybody has got a great experience, and all cheers and all smiles, spreading smiles in the North India, right? So thank you so much and Assalamu alaikum.